Free-range chickens are raised in a more natural environment, allowing them to roam freely outdoors, explore, and forage for food. This practice contrasts with conventional factory farming, where chickens are kept in confined spaces. There are numerous benefits to adopting a free-range chicken farming system. Firstly, it provides a healthier and more humane environment for the chickens. They have access to sunlight, fresh air, and the ability to express natural behaviors like dust bathing and scratching. Secondly, free-range chickens have a more varied and nutritious diet due to foraging. This results in eggs and meat with higher nutritional value. Additionally, the chickens are less stressed, which can positively impact their overall health and well-being.